Hello everyone, my name is Morten and I'm an instructor at FURUNO Maritime Training, and today I would like to show you how to find the chart legend on the FURUNO FMD ECDIS. I would like to show you how to find the chart legend on this FURUNO FMD ECDIS. To find the chart legend, you go in, we have two ways to find chart legend on the FURUNO FMD ECDIS. You have the possibility to find for your own ship's position and for the cursor position. The thing you do first is that for the cursor position, you right click and then you press ship off center. And then it will move to where the cursor is placed, and then you click chart info and then chart legend. Then you can see the chart legend for the cursor position appears in the text here. If you want to find for your own ship's position, then you right click again and then it says ship on center. Then it will go to your ship's position, and then again you click chart info and chart legend. And then the information appears. What can you see in the chart legend? You can see different information like the name of the chart, what time it was, the edition date, the time it was updated, the compilation scale, meaning where the chart data was compiled to make the chart, which scale. And you can also see another thing here. You can see the quality indication. The quality indication is equals to the CATSOC. This subject I will be talking in a future video. Maybe in my next video I'll be talking a little bit more about the CATSOC. So this was the way how to find the chart legend on the FURUNO FMD ECDIS. I hope this was a helpful video for you. If you have a subject you'd like me to address in one of these videos, please write to us on our social media pages. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to our website where we also have these videos. So thank you for today, and see you next time.